In last session, we have discussed about a circular singly linked list. Now we will take one numerical problem based on a circular linked list. Right. So this is one numerical problem. Okay, I will show you how to construct a circular linked list. The problem is that construct circular singly linked list. SLL means singly linked list with following data fields. Okay, the data fields are 25, 65, 45, 40, 10 and 15, and you have to show the step by step procedure, right? So I am not writing entire question, you can write down this. Okay, I am just dictating this question, you can write down this in your notebook, because it is very difficult on this small screen to write. Okay, so it is very difficult for me to write also, but I am trying to manage it. Okay, so bear with my handwriting. At least you should have these data fields correctly. You should have these data fields correctly. So I will repeat this question. The question is, construct a circular singly linked list with following data fields. Data fields are 25, 65, 45, 40, 10, 15. Next point is, show step by step procedure for construction of circular singly linked list. So you have to show the step by step procedure that is required. So the given data is that we are given with some data fields values, that is 25, 65, 45, 40, 10 and 15. And what we want to do, we want to create a circular singly linked list. So we will go one by one. What we write in a step 1, okay, as we are creating a paper solution only. Initially circular, okay, you can note down this in your notebook. Circular singly linked list is empty. Okay, initially it is empty, right? So in a step 2, in the next step, what we can do in a step 2, okay, we will create a first node, and the first node is 25. They haven't given any node as a first node. Okay, so default is starting node is 25, so it is a first node, and it is indicated by S or H. S means start, or in some books you can find name as a head, so you can give H or S. It is up to you what you want to use as a variable notation. काही जण स्टार्ट म्हणतात, काही जण हेड म्हणतात. तुम्ही स्टार्ट किंवा हेड दोन्हीपैकी काही देऊ शकता. ओके, इट इज अप टू यू. सो दिस इज युअर फर्स्ट नोड. Okay, in the next step what we can do, okay, we will take in step 3, what we can do, okay, we will add next node, that is a node having value 65. So first node is having value 25, next node is having value 65, right? So from 25 to 65 we are having a link, and 25 is our starting node. Okay, so 65, link of a node 65 is null. In the next step we will add next node, that is 25, then 65, then we are having 45, right? Node having value 45. Okay, it is also the link of this node is again null. Okay, and this is our start node, start or head node. Similarly we can repeat the steps for remaining nodes. Remaining nodes are 40, 10 and 15, right? So in a step number 5 we can add node 40. In step number 6 we can add node 15, right? And in step number 7 we can add node, in step number 6 we can add node 10, and in step number 7 we can add node 15. Okay, so now I will directly go to a step number 7, because I am having this board limitation. Okay, if you attend my session, okay, offline session on a board, I can draw it very easily, comfortably, but you have to follow this procedure only. So there is no complicated point for you, you can easily create it. Okay, up to this part we have completed. Okay, this is the start or head. Okay, next node is from 25 we are having a link to 65, from 65 we are having a link to 45, from 45 now we are having a link to 40. Okay, from 40 we are having a link to 10. Okay, and the last node is 15. Okay, in a step number 7 we are adding a node 15. Okay, so in this way we are having a link to remaining nodes. Now what happens in case of singly linked list, the last node is having a link null. Okay, indication of a last node is link is having a null. ह्याची 15 ची लिंक काय असली असती, null झाली असती. पण now this is not a singly linked list, it is a singly linked list, but it is a circular singly linked list. So what happens, we will make only small change. Okay, so link of a node 15 is coming back to a starting node. It is highlighted by this particular green color, so that you can easily identify the change in a circular singly linked list. So this is the change. The link of a node 15 is coming back to a starting point or at a starting location. Okay, so this way we can successfully construct a circular singly linked list. So in a MSBT question paper, if they are asked construct a circular singly linked list, okay, because in the last